Hey everyone, welcome back to Bazillions, where we dive into the latest and greatest in AI breakthroughs. Today we've got some seriously exciting news to share with you all. Krea just dropped a bombshell on Twitter about their new platform features, and trust me when I say they are out of this world. I'm Matt Griffith, your guide and AI aficionado, and I'm here to walk you through what's got us all buzzing. So let's dive right in. Here's the scoop. Krea has just unveiled a brand new video tool on their platform, and guess what? It's available to everyone starting now. That's right, you can jump in and start experimenting with it today. While there is a cap on how much CPU time you can use, the results are absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine this. You now have a fully interactive timeline at your disposal. You can load it up with images, sprinkle in some text prompts, and watch as your creation unfolds across the timeline. And the cherry on top? You can stretch the duration for both your reference images and text prompts to really fine-tune your content. So what are you waiting for? Let's explore these new features together and see what incredible creations you can come up with. Stick around because this is one adventure you won't want to miss.
Can't believe Krea Video is here. First off, add your keyframes. You can add text prompts too. You don't really need nothing else. Go and hit the generate button. First off, add your keyframes. You can add text prompts too. You don't really need nothing else. Go and hit the generate button. First off,
Let's keep rolling with the cool stuff you can do with this new tool from Krea. When it comes to customizing how your video looks at specific moments, the text prompts are your best friend. Picture this. You can toss in as many text prompts and keyframe images as you like. Want to mix things up a bit? Go ahead and overlap them, shuffle them around on the timeline, and make it your own cinematic playground. But wait, there's more. You also get to play director with your video's look by choosing from 5 different aspect ratios. Whether you're aiming for cinematic, widescreen, or something more traditional, you've got options. Plus, you can dial up or down the motion intensity to match the vibe you're going for, and even loop your video to keep the action going round and round. Now, when you first kick off the generation, it starts with a low-res render. Think of it as a sneak peek, a rough sketch of your masterpiece. While you're getting a glimpse of what's coming, the high-res enhanced version is being perfected in the background. And the moment it's done, you can download your freshly minted video and show it off to the world. It's all about bringing your vision to life. And with these tools, you're in the driver's seat. All right, folks, it's time to head over to Krea.ai and witness this masterpiece in action. The site itself has undergone a stunning makeover and now sports a sleek new look. We're talking about 3 distinct sections perfectly crafted for every creator's need: real-time image generation, the classic image enhancer, and the star of the show, video generation. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video generation section and get the party started. As soon as we enter, we're welcomed by this awesome 3D metal plate that responds to your mouse movements. Super cool, right? Let's hit that start button and dive in. Initially, we're shown a neat little feature showcase explaining how we can use keyframes and text prompts to shape our video. Clicking the Generate Video button, we step into the user-friendly interface where an example video is already loaded on the timeline. Here you can tweak any keyframe, add new ones, and at the top part of the timeline, you can browse through every generated frame and pick any to view on the main video screen. It's intuitive, straightforward, and just plain fun. For our first run, I'm switching up the first keyframe with an image I created a while back. Imagine a woman with her hair morphing into vibrant paint splatters and a swirling cloud of paint. For the second image, I'm going with a colorful ink cloud. For the text prompts, I'm labeling the first as woman with colorful hair and the second as colorful ink cloud. All right, set and ready to roll. Hitting that Generate Video button, let's kick off the magic. Within seconds, we get a low-res render to give us a sneak peek, and wow, it's already looking fantastic. Soon after, the high-res video is ready, and it's absolutely spectacular. The transitions between the images are flawless. Thanks to the AI, the morphing is seamless and packed with dynamic movement. Now let's not stop there. For our second run, I'm choosing the animation style. Hit that generate video button again, and boom, we have our low-res preview in a flash, transforming our video into a full-blown animation. The high-res version, it's nothing short of stunning. Time to save this beauty and explore other styles. Each creation just leaves me more impressed, and I can't wait to see what you all come up with using these amazing tools. Let's download this gem and move on to the next style. Excited? You should be. All right, let's switch gears and dive into something a bit more wild. I'm hitting up the experimental style next, and I have a hunch this is going to be a wildly entertaining journey into some trippy visuals. Just a bit of patience, and boom, our low-res preview pops up. Let me tell you, it's hinting at something spectacular. As soon as the high-res version is ready, I'm literally buzzing with excitement over the visuals it's dishing out. These images are so out there, so inventive. I'm downloading it right this second. You've got to see this to believe it. Now shifting to the final style for today, the render style. This one's all about giving your creations a more three-dimensional look, adding a whole new layer of cool to your videos. It seriously amps up the visuals, making everything pop with a more sculpted, lifelike vibe. I'm grabbing this last masterpiece now, and folks, it's a stunner. But we're not stopping here. There are more features to explore, more styles to try. Let's keep this creative party rolling and see what other surprises Krea.ai has up its sleeve. So it's time to crank things up a notch. For my next trick, I'm extending our video to a full 10 seconds. Just a quick click on the clip duration button up in the upper right corner of the timeline, and we're set for a longer showcase. Now let's get artsy. I'm pulling together a collection of images, all rocking that vibrant vaporwave aesthetic. We're going for a longer sequence this time, setting up a chain of keyframes. I'm talking 6 in total, each paired with its own text prompt to give a little backstory or vibe about the image. I'm weaving in 5 distinct images to this mix, setting the stage for something truly unique. Just a short pause later, the high-res video rolls out. And folks, it's nothing short of spectacular. It's like watching a symphony of images where subtle lighting tweaks dance with bold, unexpected movements. It's all about transforming static into dynamic right before your eyes. Just as I'm gearing up to switch styles for another twist, I hit a snag. Turns out I'm nearly out of CPU time. Got a friendly reminder that because this video is on the longer side, I can't change its style this round. But hey, what we've got. It's a masterpiece already, showcasing the powerful blend of tech and creativity. Let's enjoy this visual feast as is and think about the next creative adventure. All right, let's keep this creative train rolling and dive into the real-time image generation section to see what magic we can whip up next. Inside, we're greeted by a sleek, powerful interface that's brimming with tools designed to unleash your creativity. We've got some killer options here like text to image to image, screen to image, and camera to image. And that's just the start. You can also draw shapes, layer up your project, brush paint, or even upload your own background image to set the scene. Here's how it's laid out. Your creative playground is on the left side of the workspace. This is where you'll bring your ideas to life, layer by layer. On the right side, watch in real time as Krea takes your input and transforms it into a visual masterpiece, crafting images based on your every move on the left. Down at the bottom center of the screen, there's a handy text prompt box. Use this to steer the AI in the direction of your vision. And hey, if you're hitting a creative block or just want to spice things up, roll the dice with the random prompt feature. It's like letting Krea throw a little surprise party for your project, and who knows what amazing image will come out of it. Over on the right, you'll find a variety of image styles. These are the secret spices to refine your creation further, aligning it closer to what you're picturing in your mind. Just a quick note. If you're thinking about going high def with the HD model, keep in mind that it's part of the paid plans. A small investment for some seriously stunning results. And there you have it, guys. a whirlwind tour through the dynamic and dazzling world of Krea's real-time image generation. From stretching video durations to playing with cyberpunk cityscapes, we've tapped into a spectrum of tools that transform simple ideas into spectacular visuals. Whether we were layering shapes to build a futuristic robot or shifting styles to capture the perfect ambience, today's session was all about exploring the limitless possibilities of creative expression. Remember, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you don't miss out on what's new in the AI world. See you in the next video, and in the meantime, let's make bazillions.